What's the meaning of announce? Announce. 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 Announce.
The term announce refers to the act of declaring or making something known, such as an event, news, or information. This can be done publicly or privately, and can involve verbal or written communication. The result of an announcement is that the intended audience becomes aware of the information being disclosed and can then act on it as necessary. Announcements can be made in a variety of contexts, including business, politics, entertainment, education, and personal relationships. Overall, the purpose of an announcement is to convey important information to others in a clear and effective manner.